still here at CES, and we actually get to check out one of these other companies we've dealt with in the past, and that's Aiper. Aiper is a great pool company. They work on pool cleaners, the smaller size, the larger models, and they're about actually to make their way into lawnmower units, which is really cool. But at CES, we actually already checked out a couple of their stuff. First thing we saw was their brand new pool monitor, their smart pool monitor. This device will sit in the pool. It gets powered by solar on the panel on the top of it, and is able to keep track of your pool's units of chlorine, salt levels, and a lot of other features. Will also be able to communicate directly with your other Aiper products to activate them and to start cleaning the pool, and give you alerts through the app in the phone, which is really awesome. Another really cool project was their Pilot X1. That is their pool vacuum. It is your own personal model. You can use it as a skimmer. You can use it in the actual cleaning off the area. It is a cheaper alternative to one of those machines, but it is still really helpful, handy, and it plugs into a socket. It can have a mount inside the house. You take it out when it's time to actually clean the pool, which is really a great option for people who just want something maybe for like a small jacuzzi or something for maybe even a small like pond they want to kind of keep clean and work on and have in their house, which is really nice. The last thing we'll talk about from them so far is the IrriSense. The IrriSense that you basically can set up within as quickly as 15 minutes on your own. The unit is super fast to set up, saving yourself a lot of trouble with like sprinkler systems. It can save you 40% less water, as well as you have 80% less maintenance and 95% less pipes in the sprinkler system, because it's just one water system in one location, and it actually maps your yard and then shoots the water where it needs to fill the space up and give it good watering. It also connects to an app, and then it will also adjust its scheduling based on weather and rain in the area, which is really cool. So if you're looking for something that's going to help you out with your lawn care, then definitely worth checking out. But that's it for now. We'll see you guys in our next CES coverage. Bye.